What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So the butterfly keyboard versus the Caesar keyboard. I'm not using the new butterfly keyboard of 2020 from Apple. Again, it's not a big difference, only 1mm travel compared to 0.7mm travel on the butterfly keyboard. I'm using the Gigabyte Aero. What a 4K beautiful display. I mean this 4K is okay, 1 minute. This 4K is what a beautiful display. Yeah, literally one of the best OLED beautiful display, where this IPS panel look like crap in front of the OLED. So yeah, this video is about the keyboard test. Okay, now I'm going to type on the Apple first. Here we go. Retake the test. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Literally there is no key travel like as 0.7. It's very crap, but it's enjoyable, don't get me wrong. Butterfly keyboard is enjoyable if you are coming for mechanical, because the key directly go inside. So around 39, around, can you see around 30. Okay, around 30 adjustable. Yeah, I'm quite poor at butterfly keyboard. Now let's go to the mechanical keyboard. Yeah, mechanical keyboard. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. Let's go to the Caesar keyboard. So the MacBook Pro was the butterfly keyboard. Now we are on the Aero 15, Gigabyte Aero 15 4K OLED panel with the Caesar keyboard. Let me turn on the backlight. I love the backlight. Okay, let's go. So it's around 39 versus 30 on the butterfly. Yeah, you know the judge. It was me, Jimmy Agi. Caesar keyboard is much better than the butterfly keyboard. That I can conclude. But the king of all is the mechanical. Subscribe and bye.